Hello everyone. Discover the potential of this fixer-upper on Lincoln Road, Brownstown, just a 2-minute drive to town. This property sits on 0.12 acres and offers a spacious layout for renovation enthusiasts. The upper floor includes 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a laundry room, providing plenty of space for a family. On the lower floor, you'll find a garage and a small storage area. Enjoy the lush surroundings with mature fruit trees, including mango, avocado, ackee, pimento, and naseberry, perfect for a vibrant, self-sustained lifestyle. Let's take a look inside. The price for this one is JMD $20 million. If you want to view this property, the link is in the description for the agent. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more video like this. Thank you.